Here Comes the Sun, 89 meters, delivered in 2017 by Amels. It's a boat that leaves a real first impression.
It's not only about the facts on this yacht, it's the feeling to it. When you walk on board, you just feel like coming home.
She's renowned across the world. Everyone knows Here Comes the Sun when she comes into port.
It's just something that's a little bit different. It has all of the amenities that you would expect on a 90 meter, but there are just a couple of real special features that stand out. The refit has just taken the guest experience to another level.
So the accommodation on Here Comes the Sun is spectacular.
There's very few under 3,000 gross ton vessels that are able to have 20 guests at one point on board.
So the VIP cabins on this boat are amazing.
Private balconies, outward facing, a real sense of being the VIP.
The beach club is probably unparalleled.
It's the beach club that everybody wants. It's a boat where it brings the outside to you. Here Comes the Sun is the ultimate all-rounder. She'll cross every ocean, she'll go to every destination. She's been to Alaska, she'll go again. She's ready to go adventuring. She just needs a new owner.